I've been around a long time. I've done a lot of different things. These are highly intelligent people. And I'm talking about the faculty, administration, staff. But they're also very kind and good people, which is, I think, what you want. You want to be nurtured and you want to be challenged. That's how you learn. In terms of your cohort, your students, here's one thing I've noticed teaching at UIC. Students are very serious, very respectful, they think the stakes are very high, and they work very, very hard. They work hard not only in the classroom, but many of them have jobs, many of them have extensive family responsibilities. If you want an atmosphere where you're going to have intelligent and kind faculty, and you're going to be learning with a group of students who are very serious and very directed towards achievement, then I think this is an excellent school to go to. I love teaching at UIC, and the reason why I love teaching at UIC is because I am surrounded by smart people with good hearts. And in my experience in life, you can't do better than that.